displacement vector in Cartesian coordinate system. In Cartesian coordinate system, there are 2 points P1 and P2. These are Cartesian coordinates, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Coordinates of this point P1 is x1, y1, z1. So its position vector is r1 vector is equal to x1i plus y1j plus z1k. Similarly, another point P2 can be expressed by this position vector. R2 vector is equal to x2i plus y2j cap plus z2k cap. Suppose you are moving from this point, a particle is moving from this point to this point. So this is the displacement vector. Then you know the triangle law of vector addition. Then according to triangle law of vector addition, if two vectors are represented by two sides of a triangle, third side will give you the resultant. So you can write like this: r1 vector plus, this is displacement vector delta r, is equal to r2 vector. So displacement vector delta r can be written as r2 vector minus r1 vector. So r2 vector minus r1 vector. So it is x2 minus x1 I plus y2 minus y1 j plus z2 minus z1 k cap. So this is the displacement vector delta r in the Cartesian coordinate system. Let us see one example. In the coordinate system, there are 2 points P and Q. Here xy plane. So point is in the xy plane. So there is no z-axis in the diagram, x-axis, y-axis. P, coordinates of P 1, 1, x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 1. So this position vector of this pointer is r1 vector is I plus j, since its coordinates are 1, 1. Since the point is in the xy plane, that is z coordinate is 0. So that's why there is no k. R1 vector is I cap plus j cap. Then Q, its coordinate is 4, 2. Since it is in the xy plane, z coordinate is 0. So 4i cap plus 2j cap, r2 vector. Now this is the displacement vector PQ. Delta r is r2 minus r1 vector, r2 vector minus r1 vector. So from this we have to minus this 4i cap plus 2j minus I cap plus j cap. Now I 4 minus 1i plus 2 minus 1 j. Now 4 minus 1 3i plus 2 minus 1 then j. So this is the displacement vector delta r vector is 3i cap plus j cap. So displacement vector. Then magnitude of the displacement vector is given by this square root of 3 square plus 1 square, that is root 10. So its magnitude is square root of 10. Thank you for watching.